Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect your DJI Mavic Air to your phone without the remote control. It works the same for iPhone and Android device. So first of all, we have to open the browser. You have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, and you have to type DJI Mavic Air application. We have to open the official DJI website. We have to open the download center. And here we have to get this DJI Go 4 application. So click to download Android APK file. If you have any notifications to confirm, just click on it. And if you have this file on your device, so you can locate it on your files. Now we have to open the downloads, and as you can see, in my case, that's the application. So we have to just install this application. Click to the settings, enable installation from the unknown sources, click install. As you can see right now, it's installing this application. So just be patient and wait. There we have this application right now, so we can simply open it. Accept all of these permissions that will pop on your screen. We can actually skip this improvement program. So go here. And then you can just sign in with your account or sign up. I mean, sign in if you don't have account and sign up if you have. I'm just gonna click to sign up because I already have account. And here we have to input our email. So that's mine, and also the verification code. If you have like not good visible verification code, you can just click on it and you will be able to easily switch to the one that you are able to provide right here. So this one looks pretty straight. I'm gonna put this one, click to sign up, and here, okay, never mind. I just tried to, I just mess up and I was about to create the new account. So yeah, let's repeat. That's my data. I'm gonna click to sign in right now. I have to input this verification code as I showed you before, so we know how to change it. That's probably 0, I guess, not O. Let's see if I'm correct. Yeah. So right now we have to select in this place the DJI Mavic Air. And we have to click to connect to the aircraft, and we have to select the Wi-Fi connection. So as you can see right now, we have to power on our device, so of course we have to do the same like on the preview. So put the battery, open the proppers, and next, when you do this, now we have to just click next, and then we have to use this power button to turn it on. So click once and then click and hold until indicator lights up. As you can see, the second indicator is also turned on. So we did it, so click next, and right now you can hear that your device is actually working. And what we have to do right now, enter the pairing mode. So that's the button, this one that is flashing. We have to click and hold it for like 4 seconds until this beeps for 2 times, like that. So right now we can release. And here we've got the data to connect to our aircraft. So we have to find the Wi-Fi name and the password. So it's located, in my case, on this sticker, just right here. So we have to connect to this Mavic Air Wi-Fi network on our phone, and we have to input this password. If you don't have it right here, this second sticker is also under the battery. So you have to remove the battery and, for example, take the photo of it, or just remember or rewrite or something, and input this data. So I have it right here, and I'm gonna actually right now open the Wi-Fi settings on my phone. I have to find this Mavic Air network, so just wait until it pops right here, and here it is. So I have to click on it, and then I have to provide the password from this sticker as I show you. So I'm gonna do this right now. I can also show the password to be sure that it's correctly set up, and I'm gonna tap connect. Okay, that's the normal information, because that's not the real Wi-Fi connection, so you will not have any internet connection right now. And then when you open the application, you will be like successfully connected. We can just click to go fly. Don't worry, it's not going to fly right now. And here we have this blue information. That's basically the small guide that we can just click and skip. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.